Well, it's the end of the day for day 13. I've had a good day for my knee. I didn't sleep that well again last night, so I'm hoping that one of these days I can get back into a rhythm and get sleep at a reasonable time, so that I can be better rested for the next day. Because like sleeping for an hour or so is just not doing it, and then I'm sleeping in the morning. It's making for a late morning because trying to make up some sleep. Anyway, so that's what's going on there. My leg has is doing maybe a bit better, same as yesterday, if not a little better. I worked on my exercises, and I've been in the walker, and I've been concentrating on walking without a limp in the walker, just to get out of the habit of having a limp, and just to push the leg a little more to just push it and help, I guess, the muscles, the leg, everything, right? So I worked on the stairs again. I worked with walking with the cane. And again, I've been icing the knee and putting heat on the thigh and the calf. So I've been doing that. It was just, I don't know, it was a bit of a down day emotionally, just trying to, just pull myself up and keep going. Just everyone's got like a down emotional day. And today was kind of mine. It's just a long process, and gotta just keep moving forward. And with not sleeping and with the pain that I'm having in my knee and calf and that, it sort of drags out. It just drags it out, and one day rolls into the next right now. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with, which is all just part of the healing process. Yeah. This is what the leg looks like today. The bruising is going down. The swelling is going down. There's, I don't know, really, it's looking better. You can see the strap marks from where I had the heating pad on my leg. Anyway, so that is the other side of the leg. So the bruising is coming out. Everything's moving forward, and the bandages, they'll be taken off on Friday. So that's basically my end of the day 13. Just looking forward to tomorrow. Looking forward to Friday when I can get these bandages and the staples out. And then I'm looking forward to next week. My plan is to go back to work, but I'm going to work from home and just give me some more time to recover before I'm commuting again and going to the office. And that I just want to be a little bit farther out from my surgery before I'm going to work. But that is, day 13. Seems to be going better. I'm walking in the walker. I'm working on walking with just the cane as well. And I'm just pushing myself and just doing the best I can. Anyway, that's the end of the day. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.